Hey everyone, Paul Akers. In my new book, Lean Life, I talk about the Holy Triad. Well, what is the Holy Triad? Well, I've traveled all over the world, been in 101 countries, met people of all different diverse backgrounds, every religion you could possibly imagine, and I've observed a pattern. Most men who are reasonably successful and are ambitious develop a nice career for themselves, build a nice business, but they do it at the expense of their health. They sacrifice their health, they become overweight, they have all kinds of problems, and they also do it at the expense of their relationships and their family. And I thought, you know what would happen if a man had enough sense to not only build a great company or have a great career, but also maintain extraordinary health and exceptional relationships throughout the duration of his life? Well, I figured out that that was my problem. I let my relationships go, I let my health go, and then I said no more. I realized that if I held these three things very carefully and paid close attention to all of them, that great things could happen in my life. And I talk about this in my new book, Lean Life. So if you want to know how to develop the Holy Triad in your life and how you can improve it to a level far beyond anything you ever dreamed, read Lean Life. You're going to love it.